morning class. Today we will start our first class of English grammar, and the first chapter is sentences. And the question arises that what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that put in a certain order or in a certain way that gives us a complete meaning of a particular sentence. So you can write in your copy. First, put the heading sentences, then write the definition of what is sentence. What is sentence? And the answer is a sentence is a group of words which put together in a certain way that it gives a complete sense. So once again we see that a sentence is a group of words which put together in a certain way that it gives a complete sense. So in short, you can also make this chart that you can write here sentence and make a drop box that what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words. Now in next we see example. Okay, example, if we write that blue sky is it making any proper complete sense? No. Then sentence is a group of words which put together in a certain way that gives us a complete sense. So we have to put this group of words in a particular way so that it gives us the particular meaning. Then we have to write that the sky is blue. Thus this formation of sentence is giving us a proper complete sense that the sky is blue. The color of the sky is blue. So this example is right. Okay. Next we will come with kinds of sentences. So write in your copy that kinds of sentences and make a box. How many kinds of sentences are there? So there are 4 kinds of sentences. Right here 4 kinds of sentences. Put it in a box. Then what is the first type of sentence? It is a assertive sentence. So we will write here assertive sentences. Put it in a box. Next is interrogative sentences. INTERROGATIVE. Interrogative sentences. Next is imperative sentences. IMPERATIVE. Imperative sentences. And the next is exclamatory sentences. MATORY. Exclamatory sentences. Put them in a box so that you can easily identify, you can easily learn it through your copy. Okay. So students, we learned that there are four kinds of sentences. What are the four kinds of sentences? First is assertive sentences, the next is interrogative sentences, third is imperative sentences, fourth is exclamatory sentences. Now gradually we will see what is assertive sentences and we will follow the rest of them. Okay? So next we will start with assertive sentences. Okay. First, assertive sentences. So what is a assertive sentences? Assertive sentences are that sentences which makes a statement. Okay, so a sentences that makes a statement or states something is called assertive sentences. Let's see with the example. First example is, she always speaks truth. So it is a statement that she always speaks truth. She never lies. One more example. He does not agree with you. It is a statement that someone is not agree with your views. So it is stating that he does not agree with you. Now the second one, it is interrogative sentences. What is this? A sentence that asks a question. Simple way. So next we will see interrogative sentences. As I told, a sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentences. Thus it is clear that any sentence which asks you a question is called a interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. So for example, what is your father's name? What is your father's name? Okay, so this sentence is asking you a question that what is your father's name? So it is an interrogative sentence. Next one more. Do you play cricket daily? So in this sentence also it's asking a question that's whether you play cricket daily or not. So it is asking a question, thus it is a interrogative sentences. Next we will see the third one, that is imperative sentences. The third one is imperative sentences. It means that a sentence that expresses an order or a request or advice is called an imperative sentences. Means a sentence which makes a sense that it is commanding anything or ordering something, that sentence will be called as imperative sentences. Okay, write it. A sentence that express expresses an order, a request, or advice is called an imperative sentences. Let's see the example. First example of an order. Okay, post this letter. So this sentence is ordering that to post the letter. Okay, next it is order. Okay, next we will see for a request. Okay, please give me a glass of water. So you are requesting someone to give you a glass of water. So it is a request. Thus, this is an imperative sentence. Next, we'll see an advice. Okay. Do not tell lie. It is an advice that you should not tell lie. Okay. So these three are the examples of imperative sentences. Next, we will go with exclamatory sentences. What is it? A sentence that expresses a sudden or strong feeling, like a feeling of joy or a feeling of sorrow, or you are wishing someone, or you are doing prayer, is an exclamatory sentence. Okay, so a sentence that expresses sudden feeling of joy or sorrow, wish or a prayer is called exclamatory sentences. Let's see the example of exclamatory sentence. First, what a beautiful flower is. Thus, it is expressing a certain feeling that the flower is so beautiful. Okay, next, alas, he is no more. This is expressing the feeling of sorrow that someone is no more. Okay, now I will give you a chart through which you can easily learn about the kinds of sentences and what are the meaning of that sentences also. Okay, so just wait a minute. Thus, I'm ready with the chart. You just copy it down. Okay, so here I see kind of sentences, that is assertive sentences, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences. Next, what we see, that what is assertive sentences? Stating something. What is imperative sentences? Expressing a command, request or advice. Next, what is interrogative sentences? Asking a question. Next, what is exclamatory sentences? Expressing a strong feeling. Okay, the feeling may be of joy, sorrow, or doing prayer or wishing, anything else. Okay, just copy it down. Next, we will see with some questions. So here the question, that state the kind of the sentences. Okay, following our I have given many sentences. You have to state the kind of sentences, which is exclamatory sentences, which is interrogative sentences, which is assertive sentences. Okay, so the first one is Reena will not dance in the party. What is that? What is the kind of the sentences? This sentence is stating that Reena will not dance in the party. So stating something will be assertive sentences. Write it down in answer that first one with the sentence. That first one is assertive sentences. Next, are you unwell today? The question, the sentence is asking the question, so it is clearly that it is an interrogative sentences. Next, how old are you? Means it is asking what is your age, that how old are you. So it is also same, that it is also an interrogative sentences. Next one is shut up. What is it? What does the sentence commanding? The sentence is commanding that you have to keep your mouth shut. So what is the kind of that sentence? Shut up. It is an imperative sentence because it is expressing a command. So the fourth one will be imperative sentences. Next, may India prosper. It is already found that it is an exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences. Hopefully you have understood the chapter. So I will be giving you some questions as homework. Okay, just wait a minute, I am giving the questions. So your question for homework is ready. The question is that classify the sentences given below. The first one is, can I help you? Second one, Mr. Kumar is a teacher. Third one, is it a ball? Fourth one, come here. Fifth one, please help him. Sixth, what a lovely rose. Seventh, I am not ready. Eighth, where do you live? Ninth, do not smoke. 10th, Rani is a girl. So what you have to do, you have to classify the sentence, that is what are the kinds of sentence, which sentence is of what kind, you have to classify that. Okay.